What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm spilling the tea and I'll be sharing with you 5 apps and websites I consistently earn from. And no, these are not your regular survey or game platforms. These are legit high-paying platforms I actually use and get paid from. So grab a notepad because you're about to discover some real gems. Without further ado, let's dive straight in because you guys know I don't like to give much introduction, right? Starting off with Dscout. Dscout is an app that pays you for participating in mobile-based research studies. Think diary studies, interviews, and usability tests where you share your thoughts and your experiences about different things. You could earn anything from $10 to $200 per study, depending on the complexity. And Dscout is mostly available to people in the US, UK, Canada, and some European countries. Unfortunately, they are not currently available worldwide. I personally made some decent cash from Dscout and the tasks are pretty fun as well. But if you think that was cool, wait till you hear about the next one. And that brings me to the app called ProductTube, which is a video-based market research platform where you get to record short videos of your shopping experiences or you buying product. You don't have to show your face in these videos. All they need is to hear you talk about the product as you make a video of the product. And you may be thinking, what are these videos used for? They are used mainly for consumer research purposes. That's super simple, right? I know. They generally pay from $5 to as much as $100 per video, depending on what you're asked to do, because they give you detailed instructions. ProductTube is mainly for folks in the US and the UK for now. And I love this one because it's super easy and quick to do as well. Now, speaking of quick and super easy, let's talk about this gold mine, which is Respondent. Respondent for me is a big one, emphasis on big. I mean, it connects you with researchers for paid studies, interviews, or usability tests. And the best part, the pay is insane. You can make anywhere from $50 to $400 per study or even more, depending on the task. It's available worldwide, though most studies are targeted to people from the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. And trust me, this is one platform you would want to sleep on. I mean, sleep on it. And if you thought that was good enough, you're going to love this next one. Now, let's talk about Prolific. Prolific is a platform that is mostly used by academic researchers and is super user-friendly and fun as well. You also do not need to have any special skills to be able to participate in the studies on this platform. And you could earn between £5 to £15 an hour and get paid through PayPal. They say it's available worldwide as long as you can receive payment via PayPal. It's one of my favorites because, like I said, you do not have any special skill. You do not need any special skills to be able to participate in the studies, unlike Respondent, which may require to have some skills. And finally, this last app is not about making money, it's about saving money while you spend. That sounds crazy, right? I know. The app is called JamDoughnut and it's a cashback app that gives you instant cashback when you buy gift cards for popular retailers through the app. So how I use it, instead of me paying directly for my shoppings with my debit card, I come onto this platform or this app, I buy gift card for the retailer, earn some instant cashback, and then I use the gift card to pay for my shoppings. Their cashback rates are usually good. They range from 2% to 10%, depending on the retailer. Unfortunately, it's only available for the people in the UK right now. And so there you have it, guys. These are the 5 legit apps and websites that are actually paying me consistently. Which one of these are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you want me to make a deep dive video on how I use each of these platforms to maximize my earnings, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you once again for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one.